Hello mga ka-farming, we have a chicken having a prolapse, so we're going to help the chicken pull her egg today, so she will not having a hard time. So come with us, as I'm going to help the chicken. So ito na yun mga ka-farming, nalabas na po yung egg. The egg is already out, so after this one, we're going to feed the chicken, not a chicken layer, but a feeds like tricky. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching.